What's good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we got a special one for you guys. We have some G80 M3 paddle shifters for my 6 Series. As you guys can see, the front is carbon fiber. The back has like the rubberized hexagon things that the G80 has. Feels really good, feels really solid. The reason why I'm upgrading from the paddle shifters that I have on my car right now, which are carbon fiber and extended, is because I like how these have the blue accents, and my car has a bunch of blue accents right now. So I feel like this will make the blue on the steering wheel pop a little bit more. What's it called? And also the right side paddle shifter on the 6 Series right now, I'll show you guys before I install it, but it is a little bit wobbly just from using it over time. I guess the glue or whatever they use to like seal it together, I guess, wears down over time. But I've had them for almost 2 years now, so they've lasted a good while for me, and I feel like it's a good time to upgrade. So with that being said, I'm going to install these G80 M3 paddle shifters on the 6. So a cool thing to mention about these paddles is the minus side has like these rivet thingies, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but they go in. And then the plus side has the same pattern, but I guess it's what they cut out, and it comes out. And I think it's really sick. So you have a distinguishing feeling in your hand between which is the plus and which is the minus. So that's sick. Alright, you guys, so we're putting in the new paddles right now. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery though, so no one gets hit with the airbag. So yeah, all the shit out of my trunk, that's the stock exhaust. The new paddles in the passenger seat.
Just push them in.
Yeah, so what you guys want to do is there's going to be a hole, and then you're going to push in and you're going to feel a connector, and then you're going to pop out the airbag, and there's one on each side. You'll follow your phone. And just like that, you guys have the airbag out. I don't think we're gonna need to take off the whole entire steering wheel for this, just the sides. Let me try and not get in your way. My bad.
Yeah, it's this screw right here.
So it's that bolt right
T20 right there.
And it's the same bolt on this side.
And then you disconnect this blue thing here. Might figure out how to disconnect it.
Connector wanted to come off.
I don't know how this comes off. Hold on.
But yeah, it's pretty much that bolt, and then you unconnect it and it comes right out. You got a better angle. So this is pretty much what you do when you guys take out that bolt. And the connector we were showing you before, you don't even need to take out the connector, so we didn't even bother with it.
Yeah. This one you can't even get to the connector, so we'll do it real close. This one's like in there. Let me see.
So there's a little pin that holds the paddle in. And what you guys have to do is push out that pin, and then the paddle comes free.
So
So it's the pin right there for you guys. That's what it looks like.
Under the parking lot.
Yeah. This is the new paddle shifter. I'll do a comparison when he takes it out to what the old one looks like. Side by side. And there you go. You guys just have to be careful. I don't know if you guys saw on camera or not, but the spring goes flying when you take it out. So you just gotta be really careful with that spring. This is the new one. This is the old one. And if you guys want to get these new paddle shifters, the G80 style, they'll be up on my website. They're a little bit more sturdy than these. These are longer and they're like more of like a glossy carbon look. As you guys can see, they're maybe like an inch or two longer than the G80 ones. But the G80 ones have like this nice rubber backing, whereas these just is like a normal carbon fiber back. And if you guys look at the back of the G80 ones, it's all one piece, whereas this is like a two-piece backing. So the G80 ones feel a little bit more sturdy, especially when you pull it towards the top. That's where these tend to feel a little bit weaker, whereas the G80, it feels like one solid paddle. So yeah, once again, these are on my website if you guys want to, and I'll have them in multiple colors as well. So if you guys want red, blue, yellow, black, white, whatever you guys want, I got you. And then once you guys have that pin in, on the right side, you're going to want to do it through the bottom. Once you guys have that pin in, you're going to get your T20 and tighten back the bolt on the inside. And you guys should have some paddle shifters. Alright you guys, so that should wrap up this paddle video. As you guys can see, we got both of the new paddles installed. They're a lot firmer. They feel a lot better than the... Fuck off. They're trying to rev, so I had to show them who's daddy. But yeah, that's what the new paddles look like. Yeah. What?